Hello everyone, you're looking at the TC-P46G25 plasma TV from Panasonic. It is an incredible TV set for the price. I think it's really hard to beat. Anywhere you look on the internet, you're going to have excellent reviews. For the price, I think it's an excellent TV. It has a THX mode, which is incredible when you watch a Blu-ray movie. It's really spectacular. The only thing I've noticed is that that TV is making a buzzing sound when you have a really bright images. You can also hear that sound on darker images, but it's really faint. So if you have a similar G25 series TV, either the 42, the 46, 50 or 54-inch TV, I'd like you to leave a comment. Also, if you have that issue, and maybe with your firmware revision, because I've read on Google that some people having different firmware had different noise issues. So mine is using the latest firmware, the version 3.0. So I'm going to take my laptop now and point the microphone to the top of the TV, where in the back of the TV there are a lot of holes, so you're going to be able to hear that buzzing sound. And also I think that buzzing sound is reflecting from the wall to the listening area. I'm sitting around 7 feet from the TV and I can clearly hear that sound when the volume is low, or between words or between noises. You can clearly hear that buzzing sound. So just listen carefully. Alright, and now on the left side, in the back. So here you go. So if you have a similar TV, please leave a comment on how yours is reacting or doesn't have a buzzing sound. Thanks for listening.